In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell Solana Memecoins using Bonkbot. So first things first, you're going to need to have Bonkbot installed for Telegram. I'm going to include a link in the description of this video where you can download Bonkbot and get it all set up. After you have Bonkbot installed, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. And we see our wallet address right here. We can click it to copy it. And that wallet address is where we need to send our Solana to be able to use it to buy and sell using Bonkbot. If I click here on the wallet button, you'll see some more information about it. And here's my wallet address along with the balance that I currently have for that wallet. I can click close and go back to the home menu. Anytime if I want to return home, I just type /home and press enter. And I'm immediately taken back to the home view. Next, we're going to come over to a website called Deck Screener. I'm also going to have a link to this in the description of the video. What we want to do is go over here in the left-hand side menu to New Pairs. This shows us all of the newly created tokens. Go over to Filters, over here in the top right, select All Platforms, and now just choose Solana, and save, and apply. And now, we see all the newly created tokens for Solana. What we want to do now is we want to filter again by age. So click this age column here, and you'll see now that we are able to see the most recently created tokens. If we go over here to age, we can also filter this down to only show tokens within the last 1 hour. And so now we can see some right here. Sperm coin, nice. Pee on fire. Let's go ahead and just select distracted boyfriend. Seems like a winner, right? Wow, look at that price action. Okay, so now at this point, let's say we did our due diligence. We looked at the chart. We said, you know what, I think this one's going to run. I want to buy this token. Over here on the right hand side, this is where the contract address for the token is. Next to its ticker here, me. Here, me. Click this to copy the contract address. It's been copied. We open back up Bonkbot and we click the buy button now. As you can see, it's going to ask us for the token address. We're going to paste that in here. And now that we paste it in, we see some information about the token that pops up. Let's say we actually wanted to buy this token. We would then click any of these options. We see buy 1, buy 5, or buy X SOL. Typically, unless if you always want to jump in with one of the options you already have here, I usually just go to buy X, and here's where you could type in like 0.25 or 0.5 or 0.1. I'm not actually going to buy this token right now, but if I was, here's where I would enter the amount of Solana that I wanted to buy the token. And after we buy, you can see there's another button over here, sell and manage. I don't have any positions open right now, but when you did want to sell, you would click sell and manage. And the positions that you have open would pop up. You'd be able to sell percentages or the entire position and exit the position entirely. It's really not much to it. Really is just a matter of knowing when to buy and when to sell. And I'll go into that in more subsequent videos, but this video I really wanted to focus on just how to buy and sell Solana Memecoins using Bonkbot. So I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thanks.